Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can use Squarespace and create your website. So first of all you will have to come to squarespace.com website, and here you can just click on get started, and here you can select your site topic. So for example, I want to create a traveling website, so I will select travel over here, and then I can click on next, and here you can select whatever you want to do on your website. So I can select some options and now click on next. Here we can browse the templates or we can build with AI. So let me just browse through the templates, and here we can build our own template or we can choose from these ones, and we can also select any option from here to see the related templates. So for example, let me just click on this blog and see. So here we have 7 templates. So I like this one, so I can click on that, and here we can start with this design. We can change your colors as well. Here you can see the effect applying on the template. So let me just choose this one and click on start with this design. We can create our account using Google or we can use any email as well, and we have some more options for Facebook users and Apple users as well. So let me just click on continue with Google. Here you need to enter your site title, so I can write KM Travels and just finish this configuration. So here you can see that's how our website looks like. So the design is looking pretty awesome, and we can click on this icon to preview the full design. So here you can see. We can also click on any button to move to the other pages. We have a pretty nice contact page, team page, and we have a blog as well. So here you can see. So the template is installed, and if we go to the incognito tab and we type this complete link, like here you can see we have /config at the end, which opens the admin panel. But if we just remove the config and go directly to the link, then this is our website. Currently it will be private because we have not chosen any plan, and if we want to log in, we can just type /config in front of it to log in to our website. We can close this. That's how we can install our template. So let's see how we can edit this template now. So to edit the template, we can go to pages, and here you will see all the pages that you have in your website. Here you can see the 5 pages, and then we have this home page over here. So to edit the home page, we can just go to home. So this is the home page. We can click on this edit button to open the editor mode, and here we can just click on any section to edit. So for example, we want to change text, so we can just click on it, and here we can write, we can say welcome to KM Travels. So we can choose the heading. So here you can see. We can also change the width of this section, like here you can see, and we can increase the size by making it the heading 1, and here you can see now it is looking more better. So now we can add some text in this section for approach. So we can maybe just ask ChatGPT for now. So we can write all the content for our website and we can update it. So here we can upload all of the content, and we can also upload the images. Like if you want to change this background image, then you can just click on this edit section, go to backgrounds, and here you can change this image. So let me just replace it. We can upload a file, we can select from library, or we can browse stock images. So in the library you will see all the images that you have uploaded to your website, so you will be able to select any image from there. So let me just browse through some stock images. And here I can choose any image. So I like this one, so I can choose it, add image. So once the editing is complete, we can click on save. Similarly, you can also change these images. You can just click on it, click on edit, and you can upload the image over here. You can replace it. And now I am under pages, so I can add new page. To add a new page, you just need to click on this plus icon, and here you can choose a page layout, or you can start with a blank page. Let me just choose a page layout. I want to add a new page for gallery, so I can just go to gallery. If you want to create a page and the page is showing over here, then you can choose any from here. Otherwise you can just choose the related one and then make changes on that page. So I am choosing gallery. So here you can see the gallery template. So I can just select it, and here you can write the page name. So I can remove 5 and press enter. So you can see that the page is created. Now we can edit this page by clicking on this edit button, and here if you want to edit the images and upload your own gallery, then you can click on this edit gallery and you can change the images. And if you are using any other template like the about us or maybe any other for e-commerce, then you can just click on the section, like here you can see edit section, and you can change the colors, background, and the type. You can also click on the product section and you can edit them accordingly. Just like I see this edit gallery, you will be seeing some other options, so you can edit your page using that. And now I want to add page in this header menu. So to add a page to the menu, we can click on this plus icon and we can create a page by using blank page format, or we can use page layout to select any pre-made template for the page. And if you already have a page and it is appearing over here, like you have the home page or maybe gallery page or any other page that you want to add to this header menu, then you can just drag this page to the main navigation. And I have added this before the contact page, and here you can see gallery. And similarly I can add the home page to the main navigation as well if I want. So here you can see. So now let me just preview the website, and here you can see that's how it is looking. Now when I will click on home page, then I will see the home page. To add a tab over here, we need to create a page for blog. So we will go to pages, and here you can see I currently have a blog over here, so I can maybe just delete this one. And now let's see how we can add it again. So to create a new page, we can just click on this plus button, so it will be added to the navigation over here as well. So we can just click on it, and here we can click on blog. So here you can see different templates for the blog. You can choose any template that you like. So I want to use this one, so I can click on it, and you can see it is showing in the menu. We can click on this button, and now we can edit this blog page if we want. However, we just want to add a blog post, so we will go to blog content. So here you can see there are some dummy blog posts. We will delete all of them. So I have deleted all of them, so we can add our own blog post, and we will click on this plus button, and here we will open this. Here we can write the title. So for example we can write any title. Here we will see the date, and here we can write the content. So maybe we can just have some demo data using Gemini Google. So we can just say write a demo blog post. So we can just copy all of the text and we can paste it over here. We will publish this, and we can also add a featured image. We will click on settings, and here we can add a featured image. So we can just maybe download this image. So we can save the image and we can drag it over here. So here you can see it is added. Make sure this URL is set when you publish your blog post. So this should be your main keyword. For example, this is your keyword, so make sure that your URL is same with that. And here you can select the author. Now go to options, and here you can select any category. You can create a category like Egypt and then add all of the blog posts that are of Egypt, then you can add them to the Egypt category. And similarly you can create tags, and you can turn on or off comments. You can make the post featured if you want. Now let's go to SEO, and here you can see here we have the SEO description that shows on the Google. So here you can add the title of your blog post. So we can also go to Gemini and maybe copy something like this, and we can add it in the description over here. And we can go to social image. Here we can add image that will show when we share our content on social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, or on Instagram messages and different stuff. So when you will add an image over here, this image will show to the user as a preview. And then we have this share button. This is for email campaigns. We don't usually use that. And then we have location. You can add your location from which you are posting the blog post. So these things are not that much important. We can click on save, and we have our blog post ready now. We can go to preview, and we can click on blog first of all. And here you can see the image, featured image. Then we have the title over here. So we will click on read more to see the complete blog post. Here you can see the complete blog post. So like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you in the next video.